Welcome back to Mr. Eggy's channel. Like today, I want to showcase a Chelseaboot. Like I wanted to review this boot like around fall and winter, but every time I try to order these shoes, like I don't get my size. I finally got my size, and I know like we are in spring, almost summertime, but I still want to showcase these shoes. It's very nice, it's beautiful shoes, well built, well put together shoes. Like, to make the story short, I had my eye on this boot for a long time, and like I said, I've been trying to get these shoes. I've tried to cop these shoes, but I never get my size. So yeah, anyways, let's get into it. This boot right here is very nice, well built, well put together. I like the single pull tab at the back. Like, I really like the build of it. I like the silhouette, everything about it, you know. Very simple boot. Can style it up any way you want to style these shoes. Like, you can wear jeans and khakis, and yeah, jeans and khaki and chinos with these, and it will really look very nice. The colorway is just burgundy, and yeah, the pull tab is to help you to put your feet inside. The stretchy material on the side here to help you to put your feet inside. Yeah, so the sole, like usually Doc Martens boot soles are very like thick, but this one is just not too small and not too big. It's just perfect. It's rubber sole. When you wear this in the winter time, like it could stand the slush because of the smooth leather on this. Like, it's easy to rock in the slush, and yeah, you can wear it around fall time too, because it's a very nice looking pair of Chelseaboot. You can't go wrong with this boot. Yeah, so the sizing on this, you have to go true to size with this boot. It fit perfectly. Yeah, you can never go wrong with this boot. It's very nice looking pair of boots. It's a very simple boot. Like I said, I tried like multiple of times try to get this boot in hand to do a review like around fall and winter time, but because I couldn't get my size, I finally got my size. So yeah, it looked good in person too, so it's a very sick boot. So it's burgundy. The colorway is just burgundy. It's really nice. It fit very nice. Yeah, true to size. You can't go wrong with true to size. Good looking pair of boot. Love the boot. I might show you how it looks on feet. Like the smooth leather on this is very nice. It feels very premium. I love the sole, the rubber sole. It's just too nice, you know what I mean? Like, it's built well and everything. I really love this boot. Like, when I first saw it, like I liked it. I was like, oh, I have to get this boot. Yeah, so I finally got my hands on this boot, and I really like it. Very good looking pair of boot. Can't go wrong with this boot. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment below, press the bell button if you want to see more content like this, and I'll catch you guys later. Dade days.